Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Who installs bathtubs near me? There's nothing quite like sinking into a warm, inviting bathtub at the end of a long day. The touch of your weary body against the soothing bathwater is almost magical, isn't it? But when that tub starts showing signs of wear and tear or simply doesn't fit your style anymore, you might wonder, who installs bathtubs near me? It's an important question because while a bathtub may seem like a simple fixture, its installation requires professional skills and precision. This will guide you through finding a bathroom remodeling expert to install your new bathtub. We'll delve deep into who you should hire for such tasks, what costs are involved in labor and installation, and even how the entire process unfolds. This lets you decide who to trust with this vital home improvement task. Who to hire to install a bathtub. When considering who to hire for your bathtub installation, it's crucial to research local services thoroughly. You should check reviews and recommendations and compare quotes and pricing from different contractors to ensure you're getting the best value. Remember to verify their licensing and insurance. This step is key in protecting yourself against potential issues. It is also essential to assess their level of experience and expertise in the field, as this could significantly impact the quality of your installation. Researching local bathtub installation services. You'll be amazed at the number of local professionals ready to install your dream bathtub, transforming your bathroom into a spa-like sanctuary. These experts know in depth about diverse bathtub materials, such as acrylic, cast iron, and fiberglass. They can give you an estimated installation timeline based on their extensive experience and the project's complexity. To choose the right professional for your needs, consider their expertise. Review previous clients' reviews and look for certifications or accreditations in plumbing or home remodeling. Ask about their familiarity with different types of bathtubs. Think about logistics. Discuss potential timelines for completion and ensure they can work within any constraints you might have, for example, limited bathroom space. Review aftercare and warranty provisions. Can they provide resources or advice on maintaining your new tub? What does their warranty cover? For how long? By conducting thorough research on local bathtub installation services near you, you're not just ensuring a high-quality job that meets your personal requirements but also supporting local businesses that contribute greatly to community growth. Checking reviews and recommendations. Remember to consider the power of peer recommendations and online reviews as they paint a vivid picture of your prospective bathtub installation services' quality, reliability, and professionalism. The review's significance is paramount in modern-day decision-making about hiring a service provider. Online testimonials from previous clients offer invaluable insight into an installer's work ethic, punctuality, cleanliness, and overall skill level. Pay attention to how businesses handle negative feedback. It speaks volumes about their commitment to customer satisfaction. Social media recommendations can provide real-time feedback from diverse sources, allowing you to check their performance. The importance of ratings must be balanced when choosing who installs bathtubs near you. Ratings generally reflect customer satisfaction levels and help express the credibility of a service provider. A company with high ratings typically indicates consistent delivery of promises and exceptional customer experience, while low scores hint at potential issues such as delays or subpar craftsmanship. Remember that everyone has off days, so don't disregard a company based on one bad review. Instead, look for patterns in feedback. Repeated complaints about specific issues could indicate systemic problems within the organization that may affect your project outcome adversely. Verifying licensing and insurance. Before signing on the dotted line, double-check that your chosen contractor holds valid licensing and insurance. In fact, according to a Consumer Reports National Research Center survey, 32% of homeowners have admitted to not verifying the license status of their service providers before hiring them, a risky move you definitely want to avoid. Ensuring licensing validity is paramount as it gives assurance that the professional has met specific standards set by regulatory bodies. Insurance importance shouldn't be overlooked either. It serves as a safety net for both parties involved in case of any unforeseen incidents during the project. Consider these essential aspects when verifying licensing and insurance. Coverage scope. Examine if the contractor's insurance coverage extends to any damages or injuries that might occur on your property during work execution. It would also cover any legal costs should an unfortunate accident lead to a lawsuit. Licensing regulations. Every region has different regulations regarding licenses for contractors. Understanding these rules will help you ensure your service provider complies with state and local laws. Insurance claims. Be sure to understand how claims are processed in case of an accident or damage related to the project. Knowing who is responsible for filing claims and what proof is required can save you time and stress. Assessing experience and expertise. You'll want to dive into understanding your contractor's experience and expertise because, let's face it, you wouldn't hire a baker to fix your plumbing. It is crucial that the professional you choose has extensive knowledge about different tub materials such as acrylic, fiberglass, enameled steel, or cast iron. This familiarity ensures they can advise on the best option for your home based on factors like durability, maintenance needs, and aesthetic preferences. An experienced contractor will have a clear installation timeline that outlines each step of the process from removal of the old tub to completion of the new installation. They should be able to provide this information upfront during your initial consultation. An established professional will typically offer a warranty guaranteeing their workmanship for a certain period post-installation, which could save you significant costs in case of any unforeseen issues down the line. Asking for references from past clients. This exercise is not merely about ticking off a checklist, it's a meaningful opportunity to delve deeper into each installer's track record. Asking for references provides insights into client satisfaction rates and reference reliability. It allows you to verify past projects firsthand, giving you a clear picture of the quality of work an installer delivers consistently. When interacting with these references, pay attention to their willingness to respond and the details they provide. Are they enthusiastic about their experience? Do they confirm the testimonials on the installer's website or other review platforms? Remember that authentic testimonials often contain specific details about what made their service stand out. Thus, reference interaction can be instrumental in determining testimonial authenticity and selecting a qualified bathtub installer near you. How do you install a bathtub in a bathroom? It's crucial to know about different bathtub types and their material durability. Whether it's alcove bathtubs or freestanding tubs, each comes with its set of installation protocols due to variances in design and weight. A heavy cast iron tub may require additional floor support compared to an acrylic one, which is lighter. Making sure the chosen spot for installation can adequately bear the tub's weight ensures safety measures are taken care of from the beginning. Once that is sorted, adjustments need to be made for plumbing connections like water supply lines and drain pipes to ensure they align perfectly with your tub's fixture. This may involve moving existing plumbing or creating new ones. The next step involves setting up the drainage system correctly, since this forms an integral part of any bathtub installation project. You will have to carefully position your tub so that it connects seamlessly with your home's main drainage line while maintaining enough slope for smooth water flow without any backups or clogs down the line. It might also be necessary to modify existing flooring or walls around where you plan on positioning your new bathtub depending on its size and style. Another aspect where safety measures come into play, as precision is key here, not just for aesthetics but also long-term functionality and prevention of potential leakage issues later on. Scheduling a consultation and site visit. The consultation benefits are numerous, as this step allows you to engage in pre-installation discussions regarding your specific needs, preferences, and budget. Consultation scheduling doesn't just facilitate clear communication between you and the installer, it also ensures that both parties have a shared understanding of what the project entails before any work begins. The visit importance is not to be underestimated either. Think of it as a comprehensive site assessment. During this visit, the professionals will inspect your bathroom area carefully, scrutinizing its dimensions, plumbing setup, subfloor condition, among other things, for potential challenges or modifications needed for an optimal installation process. They'll take precise measurements to ensure that the new bathtub fits seamlessly into your existing layout without causing disruptions to other elements in your bathroom. This hands-on evaluation during a site visit provides an opportunity for installers to anticipate any possible hitches or complexities which might arise during actual installation, thus preventing costly mistakes or delays down the line. So remember, when you're wondering who installs bathtubs near me, make sure they offer these crucial services as part of their package. Making an informed decision and booking the installation. Now that you've scheduled your consultation and site visit, it's time to make an informed decision about your bathtub installation. You'll need to weigh up the options presented by the professionals who visited your home, considering factors like cost, timings, materials used, and the reputation of the company. Once you've done your due diligence and feel confident in your choice, go ahead and book the installation, taking one more step towards achieving your dream bathroom. Wrapping up this article on who installs bathtubs near me? Discover the true brilliance of your new bathtub. Just like a precious jewel requires a skilled jeweler for the perfect setting, your home remodeling project deserves the expertise of true professionals. We, at Phoenix Home Remodeling, are the seasoned craftsmen you can trust to handle every aspect of your bathtub installation with unparalleled precision. Our commitment goes beyond mere cost considerations. We prioritize quality and longevity to ensure your investment shines for years to come, just like a dazzling diamond in its flawless setting. Don't settle for anything less than perfection. Make the informed choice today and book the right installer to secure this valuable addition to your home. Experience the unparalleled beauty and functionality that a professionally installed bathtub brings. Contact us now and let our experts turn your vision into reality. Your dream bathroom awaits. FAQs: Professional bathtub installation. What types of bathtubs are available to install? Did you know 36% of homeowners favor freestanding bathtubs? Choices abound, from stylish clawfoot tubs, therapeutic whirlpool bathtubs, space-saving alcove bathtubs to accessible walk-in tubs. Each offers unique benefits for your bathroom aesthetics and functionality. What materials are typically used in bathtub installation? Typically, bathtub installation uses durable materials like acrylic or porcelain with various coatings for longevity. Installation tools are essential, and recycling old bathtubs is recommended. Consider eco-friendly materials for a sustainable choice. How much time does it typically take to install a bathtub? Depending on professional expertise, a bathtub installation typically takes 6 to 9 hours. What are the potential issues or complications that could arise during installation? Almost 30% of bathtub installations encounter issues. Plumbing mishaps, escalated installation costs due to incorrect measurements, and skilled labor scarcity are common obstacles. Prioritizing damage prevention can mitigate these challenges, ensuring a seamless installation. How do I maintain and clean my new bathtub post-installation? Regularly inspect your bathtub for damage, using suitable cleaning products for surface protection. Prioritize drain care to prevent clogs and buildup. Preventive measures can help maintain the tub's appearance and functionality over time. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.